Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to remove background from using Magic Wand tool in Photoshop. Okay, let's begin. Click the tool, quick selection tool, right click on your mouse, click Magic Wand tool and multiple select. You can select for this object for remove background, or you can select background for removing object background as you wish. I apply this. Best way for on color, selected for on color for this Magic Wand tool. I use background, click, or now we can see this automatically selected this background on color, and click the multiple, click for multiple color, again click for multiple color, again click, then perfectly selected this. Clipping mask, then press Ctrl I. Okay, and using this object, then using this object or difficult, best effort selected on color background. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.